Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have two messy play fun activities which you can make using ingredients commonly found in your home. Cloud dough, which can sometimes be called moon sand, is a homemade mixture used for sensory play experiences. The consistency of cloud dough can be powdery like flour and sometimes feel like damp sand. The ingredients you will need are flour, food coloring, oil, and measuring cups. Add 2 cups flour to a large bowl. Mix 1/4 of a cup of oil with 1 teaspoon of food coloring and stir. Knead the dough with your hands to fully distribute color and oil. You can add more oil or flour depending on the consistency. The ingredients you will need for foam fun play are 1/4 of a cup water, 2 tablespoons of tear-free shampoo, 3 drops of food coloring, and a mixer. In a bowl, add 1/4 of a cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of tear-free shampoo and add 3 drops of your preferred food coloring. And using a mixer, blend till you achieve a foamy consistency. Sensory play supports language development, fine and gross motor skills, and social interaction. This also provides opportunities for children to actively use their senses as they explore their world through sensory play.
Right.